Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your active earbud, because right here, as you can see, we have two. And at the right side we have a button disconnect, so you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you tap at this button and you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list. Or you can disconnect them and connect the second one. Now, if you select to unpair, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. So if you need this, just click at the forget button. Now let's disconnect them, and now, as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection but still have them at the device list, so I can easily reconnect these earbuds if these earbuds turn on and do not connect it with another device by just tap on that. But let's say I wanna now connect the left one, so I tap at the left one, and now we have this earbud like an active. Here we go. And if you have the left one, you can also disconnect it. But if you want to remove them, so if you remove the first one, you need to again click the forget near to your second device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!